Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on SQL Views. If you have ever worked with the databases, you might have heard about views. But what exactly are they and why should you use them? And let's break it down. A view is like a virtual table in SQL. It does not store data itself but displays data from one or more tables based on predefined SQL query. Think of it as a window into your data. You can see the information without modifying the actual tables. Next we have the types of views. Views comes into two main types. One is simple view and other one is complex view. The simple view is based on a single table with no complex joins or aggregations. Whereas coming to the complex views, which is created using multiple tables, joins, aggregate or many functions. Now let's move to the some of the major benefits of the views. Why use views in MySQL? The first one is data security. Views allow access control. If you don't want users to see sensitive data like salaries, you can create a view that hides such columns. That is the purpose of data security. The next we have simplified queries. Instead of writing complex joins and filters every time, you can create a view and reuse it. Like a select start from order details, when we can have order details. The next one is we have data consistency. If underlying table structures change, the view still provides a consistent way to access data without modifying existing queries. The next we have faster. Next usage is faster querying. Views optimize query execution, especially for large data sets, reducing the time required to fetch data. The next feature is logical independence. Even if the database structure changes, views act as an abstraction layer, ensuring applications using them don't break. And that's a wrap. We learned what views are, their types, and how they help improve security, simplifying queries, maintain consistency, speed up queries, and ensure logical independence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SQL tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.